thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2025 and you are still thinking it's still worth it, let me challenge you to commit to YouTube for the next 3 months and I'll prove to you how consistency can completely transform your channel, your views, and even your income potential. Stick around because I'm about to share my YouTube growth strategies, plus why there has never been a better time to start. I'm challenging you to commit to YouTube for the next 90 days. Here's why. Because most people quit way too soon. And that's why they never see results. But if you stay consistent for just 3 months, you will start to build real momentum. More views, more loyal subscribers, and yes, more income opportunities. In this video, I'll break it down why this works and how to set yourself up for success over the next 90 days. So if you have been waiting for signs to finally grow on YouTube, this is it. You might be wondering why YouTube over other social media platforms. I've been building online business since 2017. And honestly, YouTube has been the most powerful and stable tools to grow your income. When I started, I was having a tiny channel, but now my channel has grown by 500 to 2,000 every month, all for showing up consistently with long form content. YouTube have changed my business and my lifestyle, and now I have more free time, less stress, a business that works for me, not the other way around. And that's what exactly I want for you. Let me be clear. This challenge is for long form videos, not shorts, not TikTok, not Reel. And here is why. Because 10,000 views on long form YouTube videos can be worth more than 200,000 videos on shorts. Long form videos build trust. People spend more time with you and get to know you. They are far more likely to click call to actions, whether subscribing or join your email list or buy your products. So for the next 90 days, long form videos only. Here is exactly what to do. Post at least one long form videos for the next 90 days. If you can do two, that's better. If you don't have channel yet, but you have in mind to create a YouTube channel, here is how to start. It shouldn't take you more than 1 hour to create your own channel. You can go to Google and you log in YouTube with your email address. That's it. And you create a banner that side and descriptions, your niche, what you have in mind that you want to do. Just simple, right? Don't overthink it. It hardly anyone looks at your YouTube channel page nowadays. People find your videos through their feed and also YouTube homepage. Next, you will need a niche. Every successful YouTube channel have this fit into one of those big three: wealth, health, and relationship. Keep it simple. Keep your niche simple. Don't overseas audience yet. Over time, YouTube data will show you who your audience are. This bonus tip, are you struggling to pick a niche? You can use ChatGPT, brainstorm your ideas that match your skills and interests. Here's my strategy for coming up with great video ideas. Make a list, 5 to 10 creators in your niche. Write down their high viewed videos in the last 6 months, not 2 years ago. Just check the recent ones, 6 months ago, 1 year ago. Those are the niche that you need to check. Those are the videos that you need to check. Just study the title, the thumbnails, and video style that perform best. Mold the approach and always add your own spin. Never copy word to word. Don't go and copy the whole content. Come and recreate the same thing. No, add your own words. Add something to it. Whatever that you are going to learn from those channels, just add your own. Sprinkle some onion, ginger, and all those things to it. Make it look more different because the algorithm changes. If you copy and you do the same thing, it's going to affect your video. Your videos might not get the views that you are looking for because the video is already there. You can just copy the style, the mode of approach, the title, the thumbnails, and how the video perform, descriptions and everything. Then you recreate the whole thing again. The idea, the app. You see, all those things. Do it again. You can use just ChatGPT to recreate the video again. This is simple. Reset shortcut work every time. This is very simple to do that. You can do it in your own way. Next, script your videos. How to script your videos. And even if you know how to script it, how to create the storyline and all those things to make the video look more natural, and also that people will love to watch, that they will feel like you are talking to them, like what I'm doing now. You can write full scripts and can memorize line by line, or you can just outline the bullet points. Big YouTubers like Ali script word by word. Most of them write everything, every single thing down. And some people to just write the points, the bullet points. Even others do freestyle. So just do what fits your style. Because as I'm shooting now, you are not here, so you won't see the behind the scenes. So do what fits your style. Don't just copy the style of someone. If you want my free script template, just comment below and I'll send it to you. Then hit record. Start recording. Record yourself. You are going to make a couple of mistakes, errors. Forget about all those things. Just record. That's the most important thing. Maybe you feel shy talking to camera or doing all those things, which I was feeling the same way. But as I keep on talking to the camera, I became comfortable and okay with the camera. As I'm talking to you now, I don't feel like I'm talking to the camera. I feel like I'm communicating with myself or with someone. Use your phone. Use whatever camera that you have. Don't wait for perfect equipment. Don't wait for perfect gear. Don't wait for perfect mic, or don't wait for perfect camera before you start. Use what you have to start. As time goes on, you realize you need to advance yourself. So the advance will come by itself. Don't force it. If you depend on those things, it's going to take time before you start uploading video. Just use what you have and start. And here is the thing. Editing does not mean to be hard. Don't be hard on yourself if you don't know how to edit. I notice most creators, their number one problem, the reason why they refuse to start because of editing. They don't know how to edit their videos. But I'm here to tell you, if you have money, you can hire someone. But if you think you don't have money to do all those things, you can learn it by yourself. You can use CapCut, DaVinci, Adobe Premiere, a whole lot of editing softwares. If you need any help, you can comment below. I will send you some link, then you download. Don't make those things be a barrier that will keep you waiting for the right time or the right moment. I think I have been saying it on this platform that we don't have right time anywhere. So don't let editing slow you down. In the beginning, your main goal is momentum, not perfection. If you complete the video, you edit, you design your thumbnail, your title, your SEO, everything is ready. Just publish it, or you can schedule it. Pick a day or a time that your audience are likely online. Then you post it. That's it. You don't need to stress yourself too much. Just be yourself. That's the most important thing when it comes to YouTube or creating videos or being a content creator on this age. For example, like me, I mostly post either in the morning, afternoon, or evening. It depends. It depends on the day. Let's say on Monday I normally post it in the morning. But if I'm posting it on Wednesday or Thursday, I normally aim around in the evening, around 4, 5, 6 hours, because I don't really have specific time for my audience. And also, if I check my data, I realize online around that time, 5, 6 hours. So I always post it 1 hour before that time. You can do it in your own way. That's me. If that thing works for me, doesn't mean it will work for you. Just try something, post it. Your first day, you can post it at any time and wait for response. Let me give you 3 extra growth for 2025. I think we are in the middle of 2025 and you need to strategize how you are going to post for the next 6 months before the year end. Here's what works right now for growing fast in 2025. Turn each videos into 3 shorts. Yes, turn each videos into 3 shorts. Yes, this challenge is for long form videos, but clips that highlight to fit new people to your channel. To build an email list from day one. Add feed links in your descriptions. Emails is your safety net if algorithm change. 3. Connect with the comments. Make sure you are connecting with your comments. Reply every comment when you are small. Take time and reply all of them. Any comment that will come under your video, take time and reply all of them. They are important because you are building a community, you are building a trust. It's double down your channel to build a loyal subscribers. So let me ask you, are you in? Drop this if you are committing to do this 90 days challenge. Tell me your niche that you are starting with. Don't add your YouTube link on the comment section because YouTube definitely will move it. Just comment your niche and what you have in mind. Let's build a community from that side. Remember, you don't need a fancy equipment, perfect delivery, or a viral video. You just need to start and get better with every single video. Now you know how to grow, but you know mistakes that you need to avoid. Watch out for the next video, and I'm going to talk about the mistakes that you need to avoid, things that you can do to grow your YouTube channel if you are small. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to keep on the notification bell and share the video with anyone that you think you need to hear or you need to watch this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.